we're staying at an overflow camping on Bird Creek, a little under Anchorage. On the other side of this road, it's a big road, there's the normal camping of this campsite, but it was full. Here after we come into Anchorage, and Anchorage was the campsite where the toilets look like jail, so we're gonna stay here now. Perfect, hè? Zo padvrienden. It's beautiful here, and you know what? This is the Matanuska River, what you see here under, and that flows from the Matanuska Glacier, so that's further away, but it streams very hard. In the Eureka Roadhouse again. We had the apple pie helemaal because it was so good, and the view is even better now. This is the view at Eureka Roadhouse. A few days ago we were here too. You can see the glacier, it's the Matanuska Glacier, and we really liked it.
Back, baby. Back on the track.
This is such a nice place. We're here at Ranch House Lodge, a little out of Glen Ellen. At this nice creek. And we know where everything is, and there are nice showers and a nice toilet. Oh, I love it.
I like the pizza now.
And there's pizza. It's the best.
Waar is je afkomen? Everything ready to go?
Yeah, so Eric always cleans up the outside of the tent, and I roll down every sleeping bag, all the mattresses, then we put everything on the bike again. But it was so nice here. It is nice weather, so we had a nice breakfast outside on the picnic table in the sun, and then today we're gonna ride to Valdez. What should be a really nice ride and a really nice place, and it's not that far, so we just can ride in the morning and then we have some free time.
You! Pass. As you can see, it's a pass right here. That's the pass that we came through, and it's pretty heavy here. It's a rough road, and some people got some problems because we found it on the road up there, a broken back axle, and I think it was really a heavy accident, as you can see. So the axle is broken here. Here, this is broken here. The tire is still on, but this is broken. And we also found on the road up there a box of bullets. So it's really rough here. It must be a big accident, because the brakes have something to do here in this country. The brakes, the wheels, the axles, everybody got problems here on the road with that parts. Eric Grauman's, Miles on Motors, Thompson Pass, Alaska, USA. This is unbelievable. This is nature. We're looking now at the Thompson Pass, the glaciers, snow on the mountains.
In Valdez we found a very nice camping spot, but it is on wood.
On wood.
What did you do, Eric?
Boy Scout Eric have made the following construction. As you can see, he put a ground pen up here, and we had a rope up here. The point is the outside tent cannot against the inside tent, because then when it's raining, it's getting wet there. So everything is do this way, but if you see the back, that's nicer.
The back is nicer.
I also did the back.
So
everything.
Here is the pin, and then this is a rope. Careful. Yeah. Very nice.
Smart, eh?
Smart. Do you have to stop here or run for a tsunami? We have to notice the bears,
Thunderstorms, also gas stations,
snow,
of course snow,
and now also tsunamis.
What a country.
A lot of people went on a fishing cruise, and then they went fishing, but they are really catching a lot of fish. So you see all the small wagons there, they're full of fish, but that's only what one person or two persons who belong together have caught. And then here they clean them. You can take them home if you live here, but I also heard some people live camp in an RV, so this much fish is way too much, so they share it with more people on their campsite, or you can ship it home, and I heard it costs $250 to ship it home if you live in America or something in another state, but then you can use it, because the people who live here, they eat all winter of this fish, what they catch in the summer, so they just stock up their freezer. City of Valdez, you see mountains all around. These are the Chegiak mountains, if I pronounce well.
Good morning, another beautiful morning. Nadi, what are we gonna do right now?
We're gonna look at the Salmon Gulch hatchery, but there are also a lot of birds and apparently sea lions, yeah, and maybe bears, because there's so much salmon, they want to eat everything. But
Good.
If you look that way, on that side you see Valdez, and there's also our campsite. It's looking at this. So the salmon is trying to jump up through the dam, but there's so lot of them and they can't come over it, that this is full of salmon. All the black things you see crawling are big salmon fishes. So the seagulls and the sea lions have a feast here.
And he is just waiting.
Oh, it smells very bad. I now understand that they incubate and raise the salmon eggs here, and you know, fish always come back to where they were born to hatch again. Now it's the high tide of hatchery for the salmon, so it's very full, very full. I think they said 2.8 million red salmon and then 2 million of another species. Here you see a bit of the fish ladder. It has 29 steps because the salmons are used to swim against the streams. We learned that they call this ocean ranching.
Yeah.
So the eggs
farm.
hatch and then the pink salmon lives for 2 years there in the ocean and they will come back themselves.
Fertilizes the eggs by gently stirring the egg and milk mixture with water to initiate the process.
Now we understand. So the last building we saw, the fish come in, they split the female with the ripe eggs from the man. The man obviously can live normally, but they take all the eggs from the females and they are being killed in that process.
Yeah, I think they will be killed or for consumption.
You see all these orange little round balls. They
Incubation
clean
building.
them, incubation building. They they incubate them and
For 8 weeks.
for 8 weeks they grow and then you have new fish again.
Fresh
But
fish.
there's so many, everyone can live of it.
It's a profit situation.
Ja, eindelijk.
Do you feel about this coffee moment?
God, so tell me this coffee. It's unbelievable. There is coffee and good coffee and last but not least,
So
and then
nice.
also my favorite, the ginger cookie.
And it's
cookie.
a very nice place. You
It's the
can
ginger pancake. Sorry.
you could just have a relaxed seat. So
There
we're
we
gonna
go.
enjoy this. And outside it's raining, so we were just in time.
Perfect.